y'all can see by the title, we're gonna be doing a iPad video, unboxing, and unboxing the Apple Pencil. I don't have like the other accessories yet because they haven't came in yet, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this gotta be the Apple Pencil because this box small. And my friend looking at me while I make this video, and I don't like making videos in front of people, so this is gonna be awkward. Apple Pencil. Oh, this is just like a winter jacket. And the iPad 9th generation. I didn't get the one with cellular because I didn't need it. I have cellular on my watch, but I don't have it on anything else. Like, I don't have it on my computer or anything. I know y'all are like, this girl buys a new Apple product every 6 months, which really, that's what it seemed like because I just got a new phone like a few months ago. And I just bought my MacBook last year. but yeah. Material girl. You ain't gonna say it? Material girl. And this is what it look like. I see everybody dropping it, so I'm gonna hold it. I'm just hold it. But I wish I had my case that I could show y'all, but like I said, it's not gonna get here till like Monday or Tuesday. I bought like an iPad case that comes with a keyboard, and I also bought a laptop stand for my MacBook. And I bought this iPad mainly because of my genetics class. It made me realize that I needed another screen, so I bought it. Literally. That same day, I was like, you know what? I see I'm struggling, so I'm just gonna buy an iPad. And if you hear somebody fat in the background, that's my best friend.
I'm hungry.
And this. Yeah, glad that's not the iPad. So, yeah, that's what it looks like. I think I got space gray. I want to see, does it look like my MacBook? Material girl. When I got the whole Apple ecosystem now, the iPad, the iPhone, the watch, the AirPods, and I'm gonna be at work with all this stuff, and they're gonna be looking at me like, "Get back on the floor." So I wanted to see this color though. Oh, oh, Chris, if you're watching this, just know I'm ahead of you with this Apple ecosystem. It looks so clean.
Material girl.
What cereal girl? We watch too much TikTok, y'all, for real. It don't look the same.
No. One is silver, one is space gray.
No, it's not.
One is silver, one is space gray.
I bought freaking space gray.
I ain't stupid. I know my colors.
I bought space gray. This ain't gonna have a case on it anyway. I don't care. Let's I've never had an iPad before, so we'll see. I know y'all see my background in this, and yes, it's on a bunch of books and stuff because I don't have a real camera or a tripod, so yeah. I smell sky. Ah! Oh my god. I didn't even know. But yeah, y'all, that's really it. I'm gonna show y'all when I get my study space like together the way I want it to. But yeah. Also, guys, guess we got a new job. I'm a psychiatric tech at a mental health institution. School started also, and I'm dying because I have 6 classes. And I have to do my orientation for this new job. Well, I started it this week, and I finally finished my first week. I'm so excited, but yeah. I literally have assignments every day, so that's depressing. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. I'm not sure what I'll post next, but you'll probably see. I'll probably do like a day in the life because yeah, I know a lot of people are wondering like how people juggle a job and juggle school at the same time, or juggle like being a pre-med with a job. So I'll show y'all that because I have a lot coming up as far as like the 6 classes, then working the 12-hour shifts at my job, and volunteering and trying to shadow and doing this research class. It's a lot. But yeah, guys, have a good day. Hope y'all like my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.